Your soft no say an open right there. The Nicoja Akasa. Who's house of Vendra? The man and I'm a friend one was on Sunday. And I can't hear him from me. I said, why you being your people to be upon a child? Who's up in the new I was yourself from Chakama. Why you be yourself? Who I am in the spiritual father. My friend, that's how I said, we are home. Why you being your people to be a child? Who I tell by the women. We are full here. Everybody should be ready.
Oh, Roger!
We did not tell me I will fight with social. I saw some going up, but I don't tell how to say, being no Jessica and passing any African world Akoma Kusom. So what to play with the phone? And the grabbing Jessica now is Akoma Kusom. Won't see a radio. So you pay for me, sorry. Now the people I can't say when they'll prove it. Now may you ready for everybody one. By one.
Court. We also have bail court. How does a court and what the one? Oh, me say, we pass what is so we are seeing that me chop we go say no. It is also a bail. Now we are learn and follow the name now the mountain. Oh, they are come every dada man for. Yet now small boy we see. Tip pass airline and Africa world and perform now offer Virginia D. The same butu watching or Ghana, not done watching. Makato, me butu watching. Me mo can assassin da. No Ghana, me dumano, I back, I call some nanon. All the best I call the new free. New free. But I saw the Jesus better than Ghana for the but Ghana watching. But say we are powerful than the name Jesus, no, or Ghana has say.
Abusia Prophet Roger and Asaya Kanu Bima was shy or call and would different be so any of your woman so a yes soon sorry I saw for any Prophet Roger Tresse woman mom who ye pass soon from Hunam from what the before Magana depending who said I'm power no Rogano Yame answer I want to so what to be at the money as software air tag and say or ye or court any I didn't name some and I'm the Babas Nabusia or dear no Babaton wants in one God ya waka as software Prophet Roger everybody would do who air Tresse Prophet Roger no ye soon so na se wan hwe ne ye obedane na adwene woni tirima butama nyansasem paade Prophet Roger entimi enka bi mu dama mo akwaba e de about too much GA so na wafi master so first time ni a obemi asa subscribe no so de ache na afi o de bell no aka ho sa no upload it on pe one first person ya wonsa ebedi kan aka bi ebusuya se ya body era ensem no ni ahya ase de ne na ya hya ase e de free Prophet Roger na kache ono e na se ye be kai ne ye pa ne mi hu Prophet Roger aeroplane Hong Kong shower share na wakomo defense minister wo mane bo amedi na fofiant water plane no ekoteto ye ma wo nyina ekohwere wo kwa hono ene di hu Prophet Roger ye pa ne fiti wo kono ne o software e de nkomhye ne ade abegu media no so na wei ena software no bi esore ye e wo Prophet Roger so dodo na ne kansem e de fan ho ebi ba bonten be kire kwa se wo no Prophet Roger no woye okot ya wonum sunsum moja ene ade enu nti se wo hye nkom na wafe okohye sunsum wiase no na bayi dom no akotwa hye akanche se ne be na enkomhye na wahye no ebesinya katen se aha ne Prophet Roger ena abenwe no no eye nsem a Prophet Roger wo mo ka de fan ku ye pa na enumu ena one God e ba bonte be kire se Prophet Roger no woye komfo na wo the passion air any other one flight bi akwakoto obosum so se ebeti atofom fi se wo ba be hye plane Hong Kong se sa plane ba beti atofom ti no ka wiye no na wo se wo ye ho adwumete ho adwuma se wo de sa plane no airlines no kokoto abosom so na wo twa moja na ade guso se be ye na ebeti atofom na ya ka se Prophet Roger ne nkomhye wo hye no abeme no ana Prophet Roger ba bonte na wo kire se ewiase wo hoi opani due mante na ne omo ka na nya se wonte yo na wate pade mom na wo ye sunsum nyuma bi na wo di modede bi afei ana wo wie se ne wo mo ka no hunsam ni nyina wo mo nyina ye na wo ba wo so ye pa wo kire se sunsum from hunam from ade a wo de ba ba yo no wo mo bedrum abusunya wo ka se no wan god be na no na ye di kan ko ne nkotie Prophet Roger ne nsam a wo ka ye ede ma asofo ne sunsum nyuma efu ne threat a wo mo air threat ne boa watch us a woman more no omunsha ne ba e be de atire nkomo
ubia ne be ma ti ubia ni tumi ti ubia ya wo ne ya usu tumi no ya so wo ya radi ya mame no and ti sawa na ufie no be kan ye ni mu be ready for me be ready ya ko pon shira ubia wo e be ti na wa e ko social media no so na ubia se da before shire ni udi for Roger ya okot ubi so se me no ni pamo jam ye be bon na abaifo nyina shia ye meeting and ye yi bisa be president Ranche ba na videos ko papa ko dia so for shika ena opamo mo ye pamo ni fra so le itibele papa ina ya konfo ebra mi na video bi sha ranche bi a o se mi on ye me spiritual father no e ba ne mi no na mama ye me kan me dia sheko na tebidie ko anye ni hawo mana shebo mo tini aka si picture se wini movie se me try to okot se me no ni pamoja ye wushi ye baifo ye wushi papa ko ye sika wa evidence awo ina na encho ni baba be tufu ba bi kura umsha me try to society ba bia umsha me papa ko ye sika ba bia umsha yo so no se anope right there ni moja akasa o sa so fenra e mana na mo frɛ e frɛ wa no se mo san do wura wo ana wo ka ni ni fa o me ya so ni wa ye bi no ko to bi pa me chaw o so fi ni mu di ya o se ya se ko jakaba wo wa ye bi no se wo na ye me spiritual father ma fra da cha se be bi a wo bi akwa ho wo wa ye bi no ko to bi pa chaw wo a chaw pa le ni ni we ye fun so die everybody should be ready. Oh Roger, we be not tell me I mean right be so asase me kan no kwa abrantie ma say me no mo kiesika and passing any African world akoma oso so what to play no dey move on and the brother kiesika na me say akoma oso no won so ready so you pay for no sorry now the people e can say we they prove it so why you have a prove oso kra me the African world and passing e oso say you team for more you be tell me here amen ya no so say we join the okot I was somebody evidence and say ba ko so say we amasaman okot fo bi ho awana na so fo pani fo ni na wo we need for we that join the okot ni one no so the apostle Daniel wo so we ba be say amasaman na bi kura we say we ba okot I am ready for everybody amen. Asala me kaze na esena wo manedi ame twen se we bi tu edi na me atuna bi na no ti ko evidence awo mi ame wo no fa wo na me ye ready for everybody one by one obi a ne be ma ti wo obi a ni tu ni ti wo be o ya wo na ya wo si tu ni no ya so wo ni ra di ama me no ame ti sawa anti na wo fie no be kan ye ni wo be ready for me. Be ready for me. I was saying Prophet Roger and some no and yakwakuti na asofo no bi credit ka ba wonte deda aba be pa Prophet Roger Chow na so wo just a Chow pane de enu na nim ye nipa ba ko ya Prophet Roger ebo ni din e wo ne nsem no e ye one God na one God so asan aba wonte biem aba so Prophet Roger so na wo kire se wono ye fa ani hanhane enko aprinkles makrum se ba ne sunsun wiase a Prophet Roger no oye kitikiti bi kwa ne so na se wanhwe ye ne tirim adwen da ne tirim no obebutu na hwefom amanyasa sempa e friends anyasa sem de obi na no akwase asem nko a e na obeka o media ne so enye
physical prediction MPP ADC na be wa branch upon ho kunko wo sa small boy be come not to sunsun wiase nobody in Ghana in the world any one God in your banter spiritual world we need that be na ba system ma oba be wudu amafo ko say Roger I will teach you where the power lies from the spiritual world wo so how do you court kwai o court obi aso abe o court aka say court and what dey go on wo me say o pass was so sunsun wiase na me twam go so asay no it is also abe na be bu ade a learn and follow the name now the mountain no o dey come e be dada amafo catch amafo say me Roger me konfo me konfo me na to nya ma na dan ne me ni so kese we nam etumumra ne ye boamo ne wo sampa na wo ba wo ekina na Jesus Christ na yenko na nanom na ase na yenko twa we confused be like you o de for asembra me so over me small boy mate okra ni na ba me no asema enye media so nkomo ibe sia one side so wiase osofo yenko enim me fensi wonu ma ho na afa nkomo na ngasa ba de wa wa di hwem enim no many people for so we are saying no kan ya so do be kon na wo san na be court ni go court tina ono to no mi o yesu bi pa me si Roger onya sofo ye ka sofo ga na hanuma mo ni o su be pa mo agina sare mo o mo na ye so wo ye sofo ye be wo mo ye to wo mo so mo ye na meduma Lenye akola kito ya waba. Wafo tete wama. Onse ko bia ye. Roja se ko bia Ghana aye. Because the Ghanaians are certain Nigeria blind. Some of the Ghanaians are blind. Obi say you. Obi say top I play the top form. The top of the play. Uko school. Then play to and they can use aircraft. Use aircraft. And my everything in general. But see what I just saw for that. Maybe some kind of what to susu ya so Ghana. Maybe money can just same be da. Maybe catch up. Maybe the ayera. Shall we know? See ya. Oh, asofo. So we be in Ghana money match I go we need that. Oh, come on say. For here. What got you airplane? I be ship no kuni pa. Say men can I say once I got to check maybe the others here. But no castle we know the others here. Osofo me say me dane na dwen me catch me pray online me dane na dwen osusu wiase ama o kan asasem da abi che de go say de ya no osusu wiase ono no tu na ni mutuo say ono na so ye koso Osofo twaso ye kwa esem so me si roja me man kan asasem biem da bode preto ene so abia of osusu wiase we na amafoko we see o time akwane na ase we won dey come here now ye mo paye no be that of first 7 book of Moses ebe kinkan no obodu mo bi di all those demons was written by the white bees that boy was Antonio medio book muda musoro na muda bofo book e dada Ghana for say me ye sofo e na dey small boy apon wo say dey odan wo na botre court nipa le go on mo court ye ka susuma se wo so woni nyansa roja court ye ka susuma se wo on mo and the judgment now ye no so abia judgment now ye no so me ya me baso spiritualist o just say ye ndia go susu wiase and ye ndia go so asasi so and ye ntra ho and me bi na we see obi time o Ghana he bi mo ba mo ya so for sa na ti konwa kokubo fo be san kwa go si say obi ne be san kwa go si say e do be san kwa go si say say man me na mo gusu na mo jobless and no marriage. What did you do for them in the name of the Jesus? See Osofo me twaso ko ni why me me dia ya me pe obi a odwo no mu say bi no sa na tie me o ka me na me fiwa me o say we useless me fiwa that means as ade bi wo mu a ye be se keto from actual say we can bring you down anytime e tu me ya de kasa sacrifice aye ye uti me bi da na woja wo yes on body bi o go wo na sacrifice no me sacrifice expensive sacrifice me yo asase so ma wo no me se me butu wadwene wadweda oti me butu no me ma wo kanya asase mo Ghana e bi mu da me ka wa tu e san me yo e no so fa court catch a judge say one God say obe kam adwin obe kam yimiti mu nyansa no obe butu no e ti judge nke bi ma why me da say
si na say enkum dwafo ndigwa
me enkum dwafo ni dwa ye me ne to wono mo no sabi Ghana ha me wono I am the only seer e tu ba so seer tradition make a princess any say but ade abranche ne ya be full say arenti na wo say Ghana player ye ma menom ye na fofo ye peli fofo ko ba no wo ni ko to so say entento no na wo say date no say ya tie date no say no esi arenti na esi so we say date that dey what age honum no age ho kwa so so say ja to be pia wonte o te age honum no anani and 28 July 29 July Osofo bi obese kom every day ta kan bi onimi nyansa sa asofo mo connection Osofo bi obese kom every day aka ono onimi nyansa ye se kom for the kan Osofo bi obese kom Ghana ha every day aka ono so about the no date kan wa sari pere so ko change the two because prophecy from the spiritual world there is no date. There is no date. Nobody know when the dark world will fall in the physical world. It is stay aside there, canon. Now they just say 28. They play better. Oh, they are not satisfied with Ghana. Oh, they are conscious of our. You can't say you conscious of 100. Go millions is a woman. I will just say small baby. Them are poor. Huh? Me see me butu wadri wa Ghana. Me dani wadri. Makato pe me butu wadri. Me ma o Kenya sase me mu da. O dana me duma no akọ back akọsum na nanom ọ na besa wokọ ọdia no be free wokọ ọdia no be free ba besa ni Jesus be da Ghana for dia me dana wadwen me tell say we are powerful than the name Jesus no o Ghana has say
see I want say assembly wona say You can't, yeah, you're careful. Because
Osofo tie. Let me do my work. Let me do my work. I know where I stand. And I know what I'm saying. Yet now small boy will say, the whole Ghana, when the car said chopper, and look at the top of Ghana for the first time. The video is there. A top who you sacrifice, people. Osofo, you will be a dog Ghana. What you say? You will be a dog Ghana or my Ghana. Obisu about Ghana or the Dosika. Obisu a dog Ghana Muma. Obisu a dog send on my Ghana a piece. Will be out of the door here. Yet Trama small boy will say, I'm a tip pass airline and Africa one and two form. Now offer Virginia D. Send a software be and say I want to come a board date a board time in Nano. That's what I'm talking about. Once I call for my little contact say, Sira, she may see my head so that came. What I came on sacrifice at the highest because you was him. Woman say, see, we didn't meet many more than say fine. And I'll call you. I branch or if I can't TV, Sabranti, confirm what calling chain. What I call for so calling chain on. Let's say I do want to acquire $10,000. Or let me walk out and see $200 till year. Oh, maybe as if I say, bra. Or just have $200 on some. No, they're quite a chill. Till year. Or what a chill, man. I don't catch my man say, oh, yeah, tomorrow, what's your God be? I want to man if you honorable. And I'm say, I'm back, and then my man castle with your good. And I saw the so called Okutu. Say, I call for the corner, what press up to be, I said the bottom. I had your hand, what calls a good war, I'm a you go with me, and I'm not, and we shall form a more call, Echo Toy, and pack. As they say, no, and she took a Senegal woman, or we have made $200,000. I could talk to normal and was sacrifice. And I'm a project with Sadabra Kofu, $200,000. I just can't was coming on. That's coming on. Common sense. Now, Tabuchina conform Adamo. Mocha conform. Mocha conform Nicobushum, generational problem. Da. Mocha conform. You must say, or do see Katoka, Siama to media, and so, as if you, and not Tamale, I conform Kolakorano. Oh, Mocaso with your coach. Languisha. Because what you see, Pa, we are quiet, Mano. Ọba che cho adu sika ina to say that ye dey fa je dey ablofo no enso ni pa jase eni pa nya we na e ko kan na moto na mo ye yi we will not set for our people to fall for that victim me see ni ko we no no ya ni ni ko ma no let blame one man ni let blame one ni because ni my biggest dream was to be a drug dealer. That was my dream. It will see a drug on my son me ni here baby we no and I say no emboame because share cartels no movies no series no I'm saying no emboame I have a vision and I'm jaye and I'm looking right for them and I come as we ba ma kwa and say jaye and then me this year it like aka do be one man ko fi amati ni all the bad boys and the bad men you know madam okrumwa from Adabaka to where and I bet you one go la me nim kila be okrumwa so one go do nim no and I wish you nim no so be careful. Ya bre asa na eba fa nanam no djuma ye no ye medi agro osofo enti mocha konfo ye aduma we omo di politicians na okromu a first come this cafo no o de ma one city koto the same osofo o bo to ka akoma no ma one city koto the same se sale ha de e ko do fa so no before no ba so no a ju sika nyina enti mocha konfo no omo na wo so case cars eni fia kese nya ade no sa na tie edu bi so sa na wo just carry river na ye wa no because what chichi wa o ma ta skiba to so awa ko jibu sa na bre no enko ba bia yes you need that time no me dey wa bia ni oh a lot is there you can say the same ba mo tia o is mo for mo tia tia who sam kola no mo la media no so na me waduro look let somebody fight for your generation and then hold man here and you dey be di ne nkwa ne be di ne nkwa ko benye bi di o man e ba sasi so no ma wo firi so ma be wiase be na obreye no e ma wo so be sa bre ni bi that's it e ma ko na Philippines ma so ma no ma obreye make sure so ma ma se dey embre that's it we must ma kan wante se ne ma wo ndi o mo agro o be wi ne mai o fa ne ma ni agro cause no obreye it won shema ne ba so dey embre
abusia Prophet Roger and some any one god in some and a yakoti abanwe a beef be a boba wodo afenifo se o de baba bibia some baba kosi bia ne bedi eche besamba na ye de ababa so message so beja comment e comment section ho de aba me na fe when me subscribe button so too much gh ya kai so de bell no be kan ho sa no upload me to the first person ya won sa ebedi kan be all the social media platforms so ko ho a too much gh o subscribe no like no share na wonwa bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold and I'm just so ye be essential